Delta State presented.
Highly welcome, sir. Our Banking Minister. This is our first time to see Abuja Minister. This is the first time. Could you? Without a CD. Without the CD, this is the first time ever for Abuja Minister to come out and explain what like this. This is the first time we are seeing something like this. You are highly welcome, sir.
Yes, now, are they happy?
Yes,
very happy, sir.
Are they happy?
Yes, sir.
Are they shocked?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Anyway, what we will come to here, you know, said before, all of our okay hope say this will continue. Don't be so.
Yes, sir.
And I president concern me. So I make sure say they finish this road quick. So I will help on that. Do you understand me? Yes. So now if I thank more about thank president, not me. We are the messenger. Yeah? Yes, sir. But we're gonna support the contractors too. I'm sure they plan for work, small work too. Maybe so. Okay, we're gonna pray for president too. As I'm sure I say in the next 8 months, and I say here I will be. Yeah? Thank you. God bless you.
Work done so far.
Well, I think if you remember that on Monday precisely we were my 1 month in office, and what we did in the FCT is to invite all the contractors so that we'll be able to identify quick deliverables in the next 8 months that we'll be able to say to inaugurate the project. I will attest to the fact that there are no contractors as at the time we came on board, because all the companies had eventually left the site because of no payment. And I believe with the spirit of the renewed hope agenda that the need to reassure our people that there will be change. And that change is what we are seeing today. Virtually, most major companies have gone back to sites. Julius Berger is on site, Cetraco is on site, CGC is on site, Gilmore is on site as the one we expected today. Yes. Other companies are also on site. But I wouldn't want to talk about them because we have not gone on site. I believe that we need to see, not merely telling people. So I'm happy. Big 6 and B12, which is being handled by Julius Berger. You can see the quality of job. Here we are, handled by Gilmore. You can see the quality of job. We meet to CGC. You can see the quality of the job. And we're going to Cetraco. Overall, we want to say that we're happy with what they are doing, that the pay we have also planned out how they will be paid so that nobody will leave the site. Obviously, by the grace of God, in the next 8 months, all of us will begin to benefit in the construction of these very strategic roads. So sometimes it's good for you to join us for inspection and see what we are telling the public, whether it is correct or just mere propaganda. The New Hope agenda is not propaganda. It's a reality that Nigerians must see. So I'm very happy with what I've seen today.
Okay, Honorable Minister, I would also like to find out if you are happy about what you observed during the course of your inspection. Of course, we saw cattle. During your inaugural speech, you made mention of the fact that this will not be allowed. There was also a lot of motorcycles moving around the city center.
Thank you very much. Like I said, you take it one after the other. What people do not understand, Nigerians are used to nothing will happen. Just like when we talk about land revocation and paying, people said it will not happen. But it has happened. We'll move to the next stage. Before we take any decision, we'll do proper restatation. So nobody will say that you never alerted them, you never, interacted with them before you do that. I mean, we're all human beings. Let us tell ourselves the simple truth. This is our city. Nobody can do this city better than us. And so we owe ourselves that responsibility. And even you, that, disseminating the information, must disseminate the information in such a way that you're not trying to cause crisis between government and members of the public. All I said is that, look, we're going to call the council people to sit down with them and say, listen, we cannot allow like this. We didn't say that there will no council in Abuja. We never said so. We are saying within the city. So within the city. We'll allow you outside the city. That's where you even have plants or whatever that you can even, the cows can even eat. So we'll take that. If you talk about motorcycles, again, people do not understand that in the city it is not allowed. But why we have not taken decision is that we have not been able also to provide the buses that will be the alternative for them. So it is within government responsibility to provide the alternative and then say you leave the area so that you don't pursue them and then the people will be suffering. No. That's why when I watch people on video crying that, that somebody has been removed, he has been doing well. And the question is, if you have been doing well, where are the buses? On the road. No sentiment, no emotion will be considered when we are doing what is right. No sentiment. We'll do the right thing for the interest of the people. If you like, carry 20 people, put video, cry as much as you want to cry. It doesn't bother us. What bothers us is the reality on ground. And anybody should also know political offices. You cannot say you will be there. You don't know who comes and say, look, I want to have a total change. So you're not a civil servant where you say that nobody's supposed to retire. I'm not up to the age of retirement. Once you're a political, even as a minister, I can be relieved of my position now, right?
Yes, sir.
You don't need to cry. Some other people will come. All will pray. Let's get the best.
Yes, sir.
So that's what I can tell you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Gentlemen, that's all.